Hi there, I'm John Leach, and you're watching Arc Fishing.
This video is sponsored by my book, Diary of a Fisherman, Volume 2. Links will be in the description below of all the online bookstores of where you can purchase my book. Alright, welcome to another edition of Arc Fishing. As you see, I'm down here on the Susquehanna River in the state of Maryland. We're fishing for shad. Up above me is Justin Boyer. Right below me is Robert Muth, also known as Robert Miller. And then down below him is Justin's son, Michael Boyer, and Garrett. And don't ask me how to say Garrett's last name, I have no clue. But hopefully I'll get them on video later. We're spread out here a little bit, trying to figure out where the fish are at. And so we're fishing for shad, hickory shad, American shad, and mud shad. So at any rate, hopefully I'll have a bunch of fish caught for you. And always remember, navigate life and go fishing. Oh, I came off. I did have one on. I thought I was hung up at first. I'm like pulling. I was like, oh wait, something's swimming. He was probably sitting there the whole time.
Coming your way.
He's giving me one heck of a fight, whatever it is. It'd be awesome to land him. That's a nice head shake. That's gotta be a striper. I thought it was a shad at first. I didn't know shad. Give me a heck of a fight, whatever it is.
Take your time.
Yeah. Enjoy this fight. I at least want to see it. I just want to see it just so I know what it is. Give me a heck of a fight, whatever it is.
Oh yeah, just take your time.
Yeah. Enjoy this fight. I at least want to see it. I just want to see it just so I know what it is.
You're lucky he was in this pool and not out in the current.
I know, oh yeah, I'd be screwed if he was out in the current.
You'd have a lot more harder time.
I think he was sitting there the whole time, didn't even know it.
Yep.
He goes out in the current.
I don't know yet.
I just want to see it. There it is, you're right. Striper. Yep. I just want to see it. There it is, you're right. Striper.
Yep.
Yeah, it is. I'll take it all day long.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice one.
Yeah, it is. I'll take it all day long.
Yep.
Is that stripey?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you bet you're fighting it.
Almost had it.
Not
I don't want to.
what I have.
I want to pull a hook out of his mouth. There. Oh, almost had it. Come on. There we go. I couldn't get a hold of it first.
Well, you bet you're fighting it. Not as big as what I had.
I'm gonna pull a hook out of his mouth. There we go. Almost had it. Come on. There we go. I couldn't get a hold of it first. Dude, he's hooked really good. Oh, I can't get the hook out. There we go. Want to take a picture right quick? Dude, he's hooked really good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't get the hook out. There we go. Want to take a picture right quick?
Yeah.
If you don't drop your phone in the water.
It's just a current.
Michael, grab this quick. Please be careful. It drops off real fast. Actually, don't come in.
Yeah.
Thanks. All right. Thanks, Justin.
I'll show you a picture of what I
You got it?
Yeah, I gotta get my phone out.
If you don't drop your phone in the water.
I won't. It's just the current's pushing my waders against me.
Grab this quick.
Hold on.
Be careful. It drops off real fast. Don't come in. Yeah. Thanks,
It's
Justin.
not as big as I'll show you a picture of what I
You got it? Oh, real close to the camera so it looks big.
Yeah.
All right. If I can measure them quick.
Oh, real close to the camera so it's big.
Yep. Got him. You're good.
All right.
Measure them quick. Just out of curiosity.
Oh, really? I was really holding like this. Look how big that is. That's big, wasn't
It's 20 inches. Yeah, 20-inch striped bass catch and release. Thanks for the fight. Dude, that was an awesome fight.
Not really. I was literally holding like this. But look how big that is. That's big, wasn't it?
It's 20 inches.
20.
We have a video of mine then, but I have a picture of it. I'll show you the picture of what
Thank you,
mine-
Michael.
Yeah, no problem.
When you come in here, it drops off real fast, and then it levels out.
Let
So
me show you the one I had on earlier.
nice. Well, that one's bigger than mine.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice.
Oh yeah. that was 30. What happened?
Dude, you know where you?
How?
You know where you hit? Right underneath that tree branch.
Really?
I think he was sitting there the whole time. I cast out and realized that's where he hit.
I say he's lucky he was in this pool because if he was out there, he'd have a lot more fight.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this keeps going right in this freaking cove.
Yeah.
He was just sitting there, and I didn't know he was there. I cast out. I'm like, wait a minute. That's a pretty big freaking little catfish.
That's funny.
He got like black spots all around him.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't that?
Yeah. Catfish.
Hey, he's barking at me.
Fish. Oh, I had another one on. I think he snapped both of them off. Yeah, I don't feel nothing on her. He snapped them off. That might have been a snakehead. So close. That was only my second cast in this spot too. Really gratifying is I'm catching them off the shad darts I made. That's fantastic.
I mean, all the shad darts are the ones we made too.
I know I didn't make the lead part, but I painted them and tied everything else though.
Yeah.
I just didn't do the lead part. Dead in my honey hole.
You're not down this one.
This is my spot. I claimed it. Take a chip, I'm just messing with you.
I'm joking.
But seriously, get out of my spot.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm just messing with you, Michael. You know what that is? That's the wind knocking the rain off the leaves. That's what that is. Robert, where are you? I can't see you.
Can't see me?
No, you have too much camouflage on.
Oh, yeah. Get better glasses.
What do you think I'm wearing?
Huh? I don't care. Camouflage my favorite. Look at that nice lure.
That isn't the good camouflage you wear on a date night, is it?
Huh?
That isn't the good camouflage you wear on date night, is it?
Oh, hell yeah. Think you wear the camouflage underwear, man?
I knew that was coming. He literally hit that right in front of me. I was just getting ready to pull my lure out of the water. He literally hit that right in front of me.
Wow.
I was just getting ready to pull my lure out of the water. What is it? What is it? Oh, no way! Striper. Dude, he literally hit that right in front of me. Oh, no way!
What is it?
Dude, he literally hit that right in front of me. I was not expecting that. Look how rough their skin is. Get over here.
Oh, jeez.
I was not expecting that. Man, the problem is I didn't wear them out, so there's so much fight left in them. I don't want to tear the line. Let me do this. I almost had them too. They don't like being touched, do they?
Yeah.
They don't like being touched, do they?
Mm-mm.
I had him. Jeez, You have your camera on?
My head one?
Yeah.
Yeah. My head one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, he hit that right there. I have no idea what it is. Got as a head shake. Yeah. Especially the chartreuse ones.
Yeah, you seem to like the darts today.
Head shake.
Yeah, you seem to like the darts.
Yeah. Especially the chartreuse ones. I don't know where he's at. I can't see where there's my line. I couldn't see where my line was. Oh, it's a shad. Finally. That's right. He's giving good head shakes. Yeah, that's a nice one too. Oh, it's a shad.
It is a shad.
Finally.
Good deal.
That's right. He's giving good head shakes.
Yeah, hickory.
Yeah, that's a nice one too. All right, maybe we'll start feeding. Wait, it was hooked really good. Got camera on. He won't stop fighting.
Yeah, he might start hitting now.
All right, maybe we'll start feeding.
Yeah, he might.
It was hooked really good. Got camera on.
Yeah.
He won't stop fighting.
Yeah. Nice one. Good job.
All right, beautiful shad catch and release. It gave me a good fight for a shad, man. All right, I hope they're starting to feed. Oh, he hit the pink one. That's interesting. All right, I'm glad you caught a fish. Nice shad. Well, he must have really swallowed that thing.
That's just stuck really on a stick.
On the jaw.
Yeah.
Well, look at that beautiful shine to him. Good thing you brought pliers with. Good deal. These goose ones are trapped. There you go. Come on, go to your mama. There they go.
Took off without him.
Yeah.
What line? When did you do that?
You have that one? So Mountain Goat?
I'm going up that one. Boom! Falls.
I'm trying to get yours on video.
Yeah.
I'm glad you took the shortcut.
Yeah.
Boy, they're going, it's not going to be fun. Oh, I'm beat. I like shortcuts. Oh yeah, throw a frog in there. Some top water. Come on, slow pokes.